Hi, friends!
Trinity is a historic town in Newfoundland and Labrador. Let's take a journey through its fascinating past and see what makes this place so special. Trinity's history dates back to the 16th and 17th centuries, starting as a migratory fishing station. By the 18th and 19th centuries, it became a bustling center of trade on the northeast coast of Newfoundland. Its safe harbor and plenty of space for fishing attracted merchants all the way from Poole, England. One of the key moments in Trinity's history was in 1615, when Sir Richard Whitbourne held the first court of admiralty here, making it the first court of justice in North America. By the 1860s, the population of Trinity had grown to over 800 people. It was a busy hub for fishing, lumbering, coopering, and shipbuilding. Trinity's cultural and architectural heritage is wonderfully preserved, making it one of Newfoundland's notable heritage communities. Education has always been important here, with subjects like navigation and business being taught at the local commercial school. Today, Trinity is a vibrant community. It attracts both full-time residents and many tourists who come to enjoy its beauty and rich history. Sustainable growth and local businesses, including a lively theater scene, make Trinity a popular spot on the Bonavista Peninsula. Whether you're soaking in the breathtaking scenery, visiting historic sites, catching an evening theater performance, or going on a whale-watching tour, Trinity has something for everyone. Its rich history and charming present-day atmosphere continue to captivate all who visit.
watching!